Hi guys, so I know that I said I wasn't going to do an updated video on this crochet braid hair, but I'm just going to give you a quick 2-minute spiel on why I probably won't ever be using this hair again. Okay, so I don't know if it was because I did not do my normal method, which is separate before I install. This was just a lot of hair, and I find myself like taking out pieces of hair almost every single day because it just seemed like the hair was multiplying overnight. Even though I was sleeping with a satin cap on, I tried to put a ton of mousse. I went through like a can of mousse, guys, trying to tame this hair, and it's just not working. So it feels like this hair is multiplying, so it's too much hair. Okay, and then the second thing is, even though it was softer when I initially put it in than the Jamaican bounce hair that I put in a long time ago, it got tangled really quickly. Like I found like after 3 days, it was unmanageable, and I was satin capping it. I was putting on a satin bonnet and a satin scarf, taking it off, putting in a bunch of mousse, and it refused to cooperate. After about the 4th or the 5th day, it stopped going down. It was either up here like this, on with a side ponytail. I've done a bun. Anything that I can do to get it off of my neck and not have to detangle it every day, that's what I've done. And it's only in for a week and a half because I at least got to get my money done. So yeah, my money worth. So yeah, it's been in for 12 days. And I was like, oh, maybe I can go 13 today. No, it's coming out tonight. I can't. Love the hair. Love the first 3-4 days. Love the way it felt. Love the way it looked. Had the same consistency of the Jamaican bounce hair. But that's about all that I can say about that. I just didn't want. I'm not that person that would just, oh, let me just throw a video out there just to throw a video out there, and then I don't like it. So yeah, if you have already bought it, I apologize. If you have not, don't waste your money. Now what I said I will do, because I did get 6 packs and I only used 3, so I have 3 left. I did say that I was going to do a braidless crochet where I did a style like half up, half down, something where I know I'm not going to wear it but for a week anyway, because why would you have your braidless crochet in for more than a week? Because then you can't protect and moisturize your hair underneath. Anyway, so yeah, I'll probably do like a style, braidless crochet style, half up, half down, something like that with the other 3 packs. But as far as like braiding my hair down, sewing this on top of it, this ain't gonna work. It's not gonna work. I don't even want to lie and tell you guys that it is, because it didn't and it ain't. And I mean, people think that it looks really nice now. I mean, the curls look really nice, but you guys understand how I like this took a lot. And the purpose for me for a crochet braid is to be minimal, okay? To take a minimum amount of time for me to get ready. Whenever I was spending just as much time on a crochet install, or like to do my crochet hair in the mornings, as I was my regular hair, what's the point in having a crochet install? So yeah, you guys can see the curls are still intact. Curls are still nice and shiny. It's not the curl pattern. The curl pattern is great. It's the kinkiness, and the kinkiness at the root. Like the ends were fine, but it's the root. I don't know what it is. I can't explain it. I don't know. Maybe they want to go back to the lab and redo their synthetic blend. I don't know what it was, but this ain't it. And if you guys have used it before, and you are welcome to give me, I'm willing to take any tips and tricks that it will take to make this hair work, because I love this curl pattern. But this ain't it. If you guys have any ideas, I would greatly appreciate it. Other than that, this is a no-go, guys. Unless you're comfortable with crochet braids lasting for 12 days. I'm not. I at least get 2.5 weeks. And I change my hair up all the time, but I at least get 2.5 weeks. No. Anyway, I'm done ranting. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys to let you guys know that this is a no-go. However, I have plenty of other crochet videos that are a yes, so go over to my channel right now, check out all my crochet videos. I've even got a crochet braids playlist. Check out all of them. All of those were nice, fine, didn't have a problem with them. This one's a no. Don't forget to subscribe while you're over there, and I will catch you later, guys. Bye.